Are you sure you want to do this? There she is. You want to break in and steal highly regulated equipment.
This could be our only ticket out of here. Should be in and out in 30 minutes.
Welcome to the ROMULUS space station.
This place gives me the creeps.
What the hell is this?
I don't know.
What the fuck was that? Young!
Stop playing around, man. Just get up.
I'm not playing around, there's something in the water.
What do you mean there's something in the
I don't know,
water?
there's just something in the fucking water.
Run.
Are you alright? Whatever comes, we'll face it together.
Let's go.
Impact event in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
terrible moment. No. But there comes a time when its people no longer believe in it.
Don't let the now destroy the forever.
Ladies and gentlemen, and children of all ages, welcome.
Is this society, is this way we're living, the only one that's available to us?
We are taking our city back.
And when we ask these questions, when there's a dialogue about them, that basically is a utopia.
Wilson. Thanks for coming in. Well, thank you for the invite, sir. I have to admit, I'm still getting used to the new look. They said lose the mustache or lose the election. You and I haven't always agreed in the past, but I want to make another run at making Captain America an official military position. And if we disagree on how to manage this situation, then what happens? Work with me, Sam. We'll show the world a better way forward. Sir, your inner circle's been compromised. Either you can't see that, or you don't want to. What if it's a trap? Global power is shifting. You're just a pawn. You may be Captain America, but you're not Steve Rogers. You're right. I'm not. Gabriel, your number has been pulled. I'm afraid you're not asleep this time. You've been recruited.
I did my time. I was honorably discharged.
I'm not talking about serving your country. Talking about serving mankind. Good and evil, eternal salvation. Angel Michael has closed the gates of hell. And those lost souls are trapped here. He's using them to build an army to rule over the living. Look at me. Now you've seen my face. Get your team. Find the warriors of peace. It's only then that you will be triumphant.
Looks like I made it just in time for the show, huh?
Why me?
I know you got what it takes.
It looks like a naughty cell phone.
Hello? Hang on. It's for you.
I'll see you in hell.
As you wish.
Darkness is taking hold. If there was ever a time we needed heroes, it's now. You have the speed, the strength, and the will to be the greatest. But first, I need to train you.
Training me?
What are you speaking about, Krusty?
You killed 13 people last year.
Yeah, but they were all stupid.
You remember the guy you beheaded accidentally?
You blew up Burger Shack. What about that chick you saved in Dearborn? The one whose husband you nearly killed, remember?
He's such a creep, he was touching me!
You're a liar! Don't call her a liar!
She's a liar! You're gonna keep talking about it! You're gonna do something about it!
I can't believe this is Yellow! What's happening?
And what about last week's Monopoly game, you psycho? That'll be $3 million.
Are you sure this is how you play the Monopoly?
Yes, absolutely.
CRESTAR and the Night Stallion. Devil's Night is coming. Detroit will burn.
I've never seen anything like him before. He will destroy this city, but you have to promise me, as long as one of us is standing, we have to stop Devil's Night.
The Guardian of Detroit has fallen. Who can avenge him?
Night Stallion. This is Firebreather 1. CRESTAR is down. Starcrest Remote Protocol 77 engaged. Prepare for immediate evac. Devil's Night is here.